Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what is a virtual data room for investment banking. A virtual data room is a secure online repository for storing and sharing confidential documents. Let's go to the intro. VDRs are typically used in business transactions such as mergers and acquisitions and due diligence, but they can also be used for other purposes such as broad meetings and litigation. VDRs are particularly well suited for investment banking transactions because they allow banks to securely share confidential information with potential investors and other stakeholders. VDRs can also help banks to streamline the due diligence process and to close deals more quickly. Benefits of using VDRs for investment banking. There are a number of benefits of using VDRs for investment banking, including security. VDRs use a variety of security features to protect confidential documents such as encryptions, access control, and watermarking. Convenience. VDRs are cloud-based, so users can access them from anywhere with an internet connection. Efficiency. VDRs streamlines the due diligence process by making it easy to share and reviews documents. Compliance. VDRs can help banks to comply with data security regulations. Features of VDRs for investment banking. VDRs for investment banking typically offer a number of features that are specially designed to meet the needs of banks and their clients, including high security features. VDRs for investment banking offer robust security features to protect confidential documents. These features may include encryptions, access controls, watermarking, and audit trails. Easy to use interface. VDRs for investment banking should be easy to use for both administrations and users. The interface should be intuitive and easy to navigate. Document management features. VDRs for investment banking should offer a variety of document management features such as availability and upload, download, and organizing documents. Collaboration features. VDRs for investment banking should offer collaboration features that allows users to share documents, ask questions, and leave comments. Reporting features. VDRs for investment banking should offer reporting features that allows users to track activity and generate reports. How to choose a VDR for investment banking. When choosing a VDR for investment banking, it is important to consider the following factors. Security. Make sure that VDR you choose offer robust security features. Ease of use. Choose a VDR that is easy to use for both administration and user. Features. Consider the features that are important to you, such as documents management features, collaborations features, and reporting features. Pricing. VDR's pricing can vary depending on the features and functionality that you need. Make sure to compare pricing from both different providers before making a decision. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care and bye.